Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, just had dinner right now, had a nice juicy steak, but what's even juicier was our profit that we made today, closing our short trade over 34% in profit. So congratulations to all gold members. We're making some really good gains. And yeah, we can see right now on the weekly time frame that we are now printed with a -5 and a 12. Very bullish candle on the weekly time frame. So Bitcoin's starting to come up at the moment, 41,418. So it looks quite good for Daniel's expectation for Bitcoin to reach 52,000 by April 1st, which gives us about 11 days until the price reaches 52k. But if that's the case, then we're in for one hell of a run at the moment. And Bitcoin on market side for B, we could see that the money flow got extremely close to crossing into the red, but the day was saved after that pump from I believe 38k all the way to 40k. So Bitcoin looking really good, and Daniel's still in this trade, so he's in over 160% profit at the moment. And if the money flow keeps going up, then we're going to see a huge Bitcoin rally, and then we're probably going to see 52k. Now again, if the money flow crosses into the red, then we're going to adjust our line, and then I'll get bearish again. But for the time being, things are looking quite good for Bitcoin. Very happy for everyone making their gains right now. And if we do break up to the upside, then we're going to see some resistance. I know this weekend we tried to break above 42,000, and then we ended up shorting at 42,300. Made a nice little gain there. But if we do break above, we're going to see some resistance at 43,400, and after that, if we go above that, then we're at 44,800, and then some major resistance coming in at 46,271. So if you guys want access to all these charts, you can definitely join the Discord. But again, on the daily time frame, we can see that we are a little bit bearish at the moment with a 7 and a 4. So it's not the end of the world. The momentum wave is starting to curl up here. We might see a little bit of a red dot. If anything, the Bitcoin price might come down right here to 39,500 or 39,600, which would be a nice area of confluence, as we can see this trend line coming in right here and then coming into our blue support line, which could maybe have a little wick, and then we shoot up towards the upside. Now, there are some counterintuitive factors to take into account here. Let me fix this silver chart right here first. But yeah, right here we can see that on the Bitcoin hash ribbons, they are getting quite close to crossing, and we have seen in the past when the hash ribbons cross, we have a big capitulation. We've seen here they crossed, and then a few days later, huge capitulation. Bitcoin fell from 59,000 all the way down to 29,000, which was a 50% correction, right? But again, in the bull run, we have seen the hash ribbons cross, and then a big run up to 20k. But it is a little bit of a lagging indicator. But we can see right here as well during 2018, when the hash ribbons crossed, that's when we saw a big market correction down from 6,400 all the way down to 3,100, another 50% correction. So if you guys want to rely on the hash ribbons, then you can get some some mixed feelings right now, because right now market cipher is looking quite bullish. The hash ribbons are, in my opinion, looking quite bearish, but they haven't crossed yet, right? They can get pretty close to crossing, but until then, right here we saw that they were getting pretty close to crossing, but we didn't cross, and the hash ribbons kept going up. So we'll see. We're just gonna have to see what the traditional markets do. Right now, markets are open, a little bit down on the day, but again, we have gone over this blue line right here, so this could be a potential area to long. Maybe we're gonna rally up from here, go to maybe 35.70, 742 before getting rejected and coming back down to test the support. But again, in my opinion, the traditional markets are still in a bear market. This is how traditional bear markets work. You're gonna see big drops in the market, but even harder rallies when they come up. A lot of short covering. So just pay attention to the traditional markets, guys, because it can be a leading indicator for what could be happening to Bitcoin. We are still underneath the 52 not the 52 weekly, the 21 weekly EMA. So again, once we are underneath it, technically we are not in the bull market, but once we get over it, then bull time once again, and we can get to 74,000 or 79,000. whichever one's Daniel's calls. I forget what it is, but if you guys want to join the Discord, you get to access all his analysis as well as mine. Get good points on the market, not always bullish but bearish as well. You know, we want to stay level headed and see all potential scenarios. So overall, things are looking quite good for Bitcoin right now, but we're just gonna have to see what happens on market open. And as far as the rate hikes go, we got our first rate hike. It was sell the rumor, buy the news, and you know, we're gonna see if the Fed can even handle another rate hike with the amount of debt that we have at the moment. EMA ribbons on this chart, however, have not crossed yet. They have crossed on market cipher, but for the time being, if we get above them and hold them as support, then the bull run can continue. Again, volume's been quite low lately, so a big volume spike could be coming, which means a massive move for Bitcoin could be coming as well. Anyways, guys, you guys have been awesome. If you haven't already, you guys can join the Discord, get access to all my charts, and you get access to a lot of very cool indicators in the chat as well. So financial news, whale alerts, big trades, fear and greed indexes, all that good stuff. And if you haven't already, you guys can sign up for Big At Trading. That's where I do all my trades. And yeah, peace.